Happy Scalefest Friday. On Fridays, we're going to focus on one scale. We'll talk through it, I'll play it for you, and then I'll challenge you to send me a recording of you playing it. I would love to hear what you're doing, provide some feedback, and see if I can help you on your journey towards All-State. Well, this week we're going to start with one of our favorite scales, probably the first scale you learned in band class, the B-flat concert scale. For us, it's the C scale. Middle school students are expected to play the B-flat concert scale one octave, starting on the C in the third space and walking it up to the higher C. High school students will start on the C just below the staff and take it up 2 octaves to the high C. All of us are going to have to play the arpeggio that's related to that scale. Now, as we prepare to work on that, let's talk to the high school students first. High school students, you're going to want to make sure you use good technique as you move from G, A to B. So few fingers to lots of fingers. Keep the air steady and really show off your excellent technique. Can't be afraid of that little finger to lots of finger moment in your scale. Now, middle school and high school students alike, as you're playing the higher octave of the concert B-flat scale, you're going to want to make sure you're using a great embouchure. Think of drinking a thick milkshake. Corners firm, chins flat. Put your teeth right on top of that mouthpiece and slightly push up with your right thumb. Up, up, and away. That's how I like to think about it. Just like Superman. You want to make sure that you're lifting the back of your tongue slightly, like you're saying he, so that we can get that high B and C to speak clearly, confidently, and with a lovely covered sound. I'm going to play it for you. You can play right along. Here we go. This is the C scale. Middle school students, you can jump in on the second octave. So send me a video of you performing it. I would love to hear how you're doing and help you on your All-State journey.